So the question is, when initial concentration of the reactant is doubled and the half-life of the zero order reaction. So we have to calculate the half-life of the zero order reaction if the initial concentration of the reactant is doubled. So the options are is half, remain unchanged, is triple, is doubled. So the formula for the zero order reaction for the half-life is this is T half equals A naught, which is the concentration, and upon 2K. So in the question it is given that the initial concentration is doubled. So let's assume a reaction where the final concentration is 2A upon 2K. So 2 will cancel out and it will become A upon K. So the initial time period is A upon A naught A upon 2K, and the final is A upon K. So as we can see, by dividing the equation, we can see A upon K upon A upon 2K. We can see this will get cancelled out and it will become 2K upon K, which will also get cancelled out. So the half-life of the reactant will get doubled. So in a zero order reaction, if the initial concentration is doubled, the half-life also gets doubled. So the answer is option 4.